Today I'll be doing my second attempt at opening these Disney Fantasy Flights mystery pins. These were released in August of 2025, but they are still available in the parks for $44.99 per bag, and they're 5 pins in each bag. This is a 16-pin collection, and the pin designs feature various Disney characters flying in front of a white cloud. So the pin designs that we can get are Tinkerbell, Peter Pegasus, Stitch, Zazu, Baby Pegasus, Zipper, Accordion Owl, Winnie the Pooh, Archimedes, Peter Pan, Spike the Bee, Magic Carpet, Sir Hiss, Ray, Iago, and Dumbo. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 2 bags here to open up, which is 10 pins total. This is my second attempt at unboxing these, and right now I'm sitting at 8 out of the 16. So I am halfway there. I haven't been trying to collect these too hard, but these did come back in stock at the Disney store, so I figured let's get a few more bags and see if I can get a little closer to the 16. So let's see what we have here. These are loose in the bag. And we just have the little tab there. We can rip them, and you can see my first one here. And the first one is Peter Pan. So we have Peter Pan flying in front of the cloud. And I think, if I remember right, I think the cloud is the same. They just have a different character in front of the cloud. And some make more sense than others, like Peter Pan flying in front of the cloud. Makes perfect sense. So that one is cool. Do I have that one? I have one back here. I do not have that one. So there we go. Now I'm at 9 out of the 16. And our next one is Baby Pegasus. That is super cute. So we have Pegasus from Hercules. He's got his little kind of blue, looks like a blue mohawk. He's got his little wings back there. And yeah, I do believe he is in the front of the same cloud. However, the cloud color is a little bit different. Oh, probably because he's white. So since he's like cloud white, they couldn't make the cloud the same color. You wouldn't be able to see him as well. So that cloud looks a little bit bluish almost. All right, and the next one is Zipper. So Zipper, I really didn't know who he was. I had to look him up, and I believe he is part of Chippendale's Rescue Rangers. I think that's where he's from. I could be wrong on that. You can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong on that. But we have Zipper wearing his red t-shirt. He is flying in front of the cloud. Okay, well, so far, all of these make sense. They all can fly. Until we get to Winnie the Pooh, and you're like, Winnie the Pooh, what are you doing up there? All right, and then this one is the Accordion Owl. And so we have Owl, who's got an accordion for a neck, basically. This one is from Alice in Wonderland. And this cloud also has that same color as Baby Pegasus. It's kind of an off-white, but leaning more towards a blue or a green. So it could just be when they made the pins, the white just came out like that on those. That could be the case. And our last one in this bag is stuck in here. What do we have? We have Magic Carpet. Awesome. I don't think I have magic. Oh, I do. It's right there. So we have Magic Carpet. Love the detail on the Magic Carpet. All the little different colors there. He is flying in front of the cloud. Very cool. So as far as new ones, I got 3 new ones there. Peter Pan, Baby Pegasus, and Zipper are all ones I don't have. So that's pretty good. Trending in the right direction here. So let's see what we get in this bag. Our first one is, I see his tail. It is Iago. We have Iago, and I like his blue tail there. And then we have, he's got his wings out. He looks like he's yelling something. He's angry or yelling at Jafar or something. That's okay. And the next one we have Ray. That is another new one for me. So this is Ray. He's a firefly from Princess and the Frog. So we have the back of him all lit up there. You can see his wings. skinny little arms and legs. That's cool. It actually has a little see-through, not a see-through, but like a hole in that one. Looks like he has wings that go up and over and you can see through it. So that is kind of cool. Always like it when pens do that. And the next one is, oh, we have a double. We have another zipper. So we do have our first double. And what do we have? 2 pens left. Okay. Well, I don't think I can complete the collection today, but hey, I've actually done pretty good here. And this one is Spike the Bee. This is also a new one for me. So we have Spike the Bee, and I forget where he's from. I remember looking it up when I did the first unboxing, but I forgot. So we have Spike the Bee. I like the stinger in the back there. And he also has a little open area in the pen. His antenna is connecting with his arm, and it has a little hole there. Let's put him right here. And so now we're down to the last one. I think I do have like 5 new ones here, which is pretty good. See if we get another new one. And we have Stitch. So we have Stitch with a red cape, and looks like he's wearing, I forget the scene. Is that like Lilo's swimsuit top on his head? Maybe. I'm trying to remember back. I haven't seen the movie in a while, but that one is pretty cool. I think I have that one. Yeah, I do have that one. So there we go. So that was just a little quick second unboxing there, getting 10 pens, and I'll have to count up and see how much closer I am to completing this collection. I think we took a pretty decent step forward. So those were the Disney Fantasy Flights mystery pens. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite that I unboxed today. My favorite here, I'm going to choose from the new ones that I got. So my favorite new one I got is Peter Pan. I love Peter Pan pens, so that is my favorite here. I think that's the one I was looking for the most in this collection, was Peter Pan and Tinkerbell. So Peter Pan is my favorite for today. So this was, I would say, a decent unboxing. You know, it was a second try. I came into this unboxing with 8 out of the 16, and I ended up getting 5 new pens. So now I'm sitting at 13 out of the 16. So I'm only missing 3 pens, and those 3 pens are Tinkerbell, Peter Pegasus, and Dumbo. So those are the 3 that I'm still missing, but you know, you take a risk anytime you do a second unboxing of something. Like I could have gotten 10 of the same that I already have, but getting 5 new ones, I'll take it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.